Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to download Google Slides on laptop. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open Google. Then tap on 9 dots and open Google Slides. The Google Slides app, the Google Slide, does not have an official app available for your laptop. You can only use the web version, or you can also make sure to install a shortcut, such as these, in order to go ahead and basically add this as an installation to your home screen. So you can just click the 3 dots, you go to this bookmark option, you can choose to add this as a bookmark, or you can choose to install this as a web shortcut. Now, if you want to go ahead and then just download the slides that you've made all of the presentations and so on. So for this, you can just go to Slide. Once you go to Slides over here, you'll be able to see the slides that you've created here. And let's say that this is a slide that you want to download. All you have to do is just click on this 3 dots option here, and you can start from beginning and so on, or you can click the share option. Now you will be able to share anyone with the link. Once they share anyone with the link, you can just click the done button, and you should be able to download this accordingly. Or you can just click on File, and then over here you can just go to this option called Download. You can choose to download this as a Microsoft PowerPoint and a PDF plain, text, JPG, MS, PNG, image, or whatever else you prefer over here. That's all it takes to download Google Slides on laptop. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.